There's your problem. So you ever lift this crimp? Yeah. You ever lift these wires hanging loose in here? Their crimp caps rubbed a hole through and it shorted out on the coil, and now there's a big hole blown in the aluminum microchannel right here. It's gonna be hard to fix. I don't know. That's aluminum, so you ain't brazing that. Yeah, look at all the trash in there. Yeah. These condensers are dirty as hell too. Look at them. There's mildew and stuff growing on them. Look at all the crap stuck on them. This one's not that bad. But I don't know what this is. That's what's rattling. This piece right here. Switch ya. It won't change. Yeah, it won't fall down now that the motors are off. Surprised I didn't rub a hole in the coil. Yeah. You got all these, everything, all the hardware that holds the doors in is all stripped out. This is clogged. It's dripping out right here instead of going out over there. Bad shape, man. The stiffener on the back of this door came off. It's just laying in there. We took it off. It's sitting right here. Hardware is all stripped out. You're gonna get up here with some bolts and nuts, put that back on. Yeah, I would have put like some of that stuff we use for the drain hose. Yeah, I would have put some stuff on the metal that we use for like the drain hose and zip tie it on there, and then zip tie the wires on top of that, because you're not rubbing a hole in that. Like it's something for the wires to sit on. So I don't like anything sitting on metal like that, because if it rubs a hole in the insulation, which it will do because of how bad it's vibrating, it'll just make a hole in it. That's why we saw the lights flickering. What was it, 2 weeks ago now? Remember that? Yeah. Where all the lights went off for a second and came back on? That was probably that thing shorting out. That's terrible.